Welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you on how to create door panels, also known as door material schedules. Please watch carefully, as this is one of the most important chapters in cabinet vision. Click on Material Schedules from the top ribbon. In the new tab that appears, look above the Assembly option. Click the drop-down menu and select Doors. Now you are inside the Door Schedule Manager. Below the Doors option, there is another drop-down menu. This drop-down shows the list of your existing door schedules. If you want to create a new door schedule, please follow the video carefully. You can type the door name in the name field. Below that, there is an option called banding. If your door material requires edge banding, set it to yes. For aluminium doors, set this option to number. If you have price action and you want to assign a fixed price to the material, enter the value in the columns above while assigning the material. Now, look at the right side options: banding, frame, molding, and panel. We will go through each one step by step. First, expand the banding option. Now look at the right side. You may remember that earlier we created the board, laminate, banding, and composite materials. The same material library will be available and shown here. Now, select the banding you prefer for your door. Simply drag it and drop it into the left column. Now the banding placement is complete. Next, we will apply the door board material. Expand the last option, panel. Inside it, you will see the slab option. Slab means a plain door. Just like the banding method, select the board material from the right side and drag it here. If you want a glass door, you can apply the glass material in the same way. Simply drag and drop it into place. At this stage, molding is not required. Molding refers to edge shapes. So, we can go directly to the frame option. Here, frame means a four-side frame panel, not a plain door. With this schedule, we can use both frame doors and plain doors. Follow the video to see how to apply the materials. Now your schedule is applied successfully, but you still need to assign this material to your door design. On the left side, select the Doors option. From the list, use the Check All option at the bottom to select everything. On the right side, click Select All and apply it. This ensures that all materials, existing and new, are available and visible in the design list. When you apply the schedule, it may take some time, depending on your data. If you have many door schedules, the process will take longer. You will see a progress scroll bar in the window. Just wait until the process is completed. Alternatively, if you want to apply only specific newly created doors or selected existing door materials, first untick all options on the left side. Then select only the doors you need and repeat the same method. This time, the process will complete much faster. Well done! Your door material assignment is completed successfully.